Parsley is a herb that has been utilized to zest our nourishment for many years. In any case, did you realize that it has diuretic properties that lift weight reduction? Parsley is utilized as a zest in a hashed shape, to add flavor to dishes we cook each day, for example, angle, marinades, soups, plates of mixed greens, and different nourishments. Parsley leaves are loaded with vitamins N and C. Parsley has apiol, a phenol compound, cancer prevention agent, and apioside, a flavonoid class with diuretic properties. With a diuretic, parsley will have the capacity to clean the body. Here are the absolute most normal ways parsley can be useful for your well-being. Parsley is known to stop a few cancer-causing agents and to prevent tumors from developing. It is known to quit swelling, and may help in rheumatoid joint pain. Parsley is a herb that is exceptionally useful in treating urinary tract contaminations and different infections and conditions associated with the kidneys. Parsley tea can likewise be utilized against awful breath. Parsley roots have diuretics properties, and that is the reason it is utilized as a tea a great deal, for its purging and filtering properties. On the off chance that we eat it consistently, for what reason doesn't it prevent us from putting on weight? Since we for the most part eat parsley in little sums, we can't get all the pharmaceutical assistance from the bar and leaves of this herb. That is the reason it must be eaten in bigger sums, for the most help. Here is a formula for tea with parsley to help constrain additional water from the body. Fixings: 5 tablespoons cleaved parsley, 1 liter of water. How would you make this tea? Warm the water. At that point, add the parsley to the water and let it sit for 20 minutes. Strain the blend to take out the parsley pieces. Your tea is prepared to drink. You can include somewhat nectar for enhance. It's best to utilize natural nectar. For the duration of the day, you can drink this tea to support the cleaning and depleting of your body, which will enable you to get in shape. This drink won't wipe out additional calories on the off chance that you eat unfortunate sustenances whatever is left of the day. In any case, on the off chance that you take after a sound eating regimen, you will see that it helps, and your weight reduction will last more.